Keep it steady with that beam on the left. Copy that. I have just one more screw to go, then we can check the level together.
Why did the gardener bring a ladder to the backyard? Because he wanted to reach the high branches and get a better view of his hard work.
That looks perfect, and it really makes the whole garden feel more inviting. I agree, the lighting completely transforms the space for our evening outside.
Why do trees always seem so calm in the evening? Probably because they are experts at branching out and just letting things leaf go.
Why do trees always seem so calm in the evening?
Because they are branching out and just letting things leaf for a while.